channel, and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities, and category and facilities also. So, property location, amenities and attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. In this video, the amenities of this property, you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is facing any kind of problems in